My name is Mahmood Hussein, 27 years old. I'm into fitness, I'm into working out. I've been in this field for about 11 years now. Ramadan is a huge opportunity for a lot of people to get to know how to adapt to certain situations. And to me, it's a huge struggle when it comes to working out and food, because as you know, when it comes to fitness, it's all about what you eat, when to eat. My experience throughout these years, 11 years, I knew how to exactly adapt to the holy month of Ramadan and exactly when to eat, when to work out. I work out the whole year just for the goal of maintaining what I have. I don't want to increase, I don't want to decrease. And during Ramadan, everyone should only maintain what they have. They should only work on maintaining the body that they have, because it's very difficult to bulk, it's very difficult to cut. When it comes to Ramadan and to our culture, we put a lot of food in the table and it's sometimes tempting. So that's why I arrange my meals before I start eating, so that I can only have these meals and not go here and there. And that's how I control myself and maintain the physique that I have. When the gyms were closed and it was Ramadan at the same time, I went out, of course, and went to buy gym equipments. My room had only a bed and the rest is gym, where I worked out more as per time. For example, if I worked out 3 hours at home, it's like 1 hour in the gym, because it's limited. I don't have a good bar, I don't have a squat rack, for example, I don't have a treadmill machine, it's a lockdown, you can't go run. So I used to do jumping ropes, anything that I'll have to just work out. To be honest, COVID taught me a lot of things, and one of the things is that it made me appreciate my family more, it made me spend time with my family more, even though it was forced, but it just made me know my family more. During COVID, I used to waste my time watching YouTube channels. That inspired me, because since people are watching and sitting down, and maybe they are going to stick to this habit even after COVID, that's why I started my YouTube channel, one of the reasons. And the other reasons is that it was just a support and a push from my family and friends. They're saying that you know a lot of stuff and you are experienced in this field, where you can give tips and help other people know about workouts, know about certain routines, know about the form, what to eat, when to eat. And it was a good platform for me just to share these information. Ramadan Kareem, everyone.